This is CGTN, China Global Television Network.
In Tunisia, 450 medics and paramedics have tested positive for the coronavirus. That's according to the country's COVID-19 task force. One doctor and one pharmacist have died just this week in the last setback for frontline health workers in the fight against COVID-19. Health agencies say infections have spread rapidly since the country's borders reopened on the 27th of June. CGTN's Adnan Chouachi has that story.
The Ministry of Health has warned Tunisians that the country has entered the third phase of its COVID-19 outbreak. Fawzi Mehdi pointed out that the death rate from the virus has not exceeded 1%, while the average age of those who died is 75 years.
I call on Tunisian citizens to coexist with the virus without fear, while respecting the health instructions and hygiene standards. The next stage requires vigilance, caution, and the application of the health protocol in public places.
The minister has announced the opening of Al Manza Field Hospital. This sports facility has 80 beds equipped with ventilators and 4 ICU beds.
The hospital is ready to accommodate patients from the very first signs of infection. The number of ICU beds during this period meets the needs without exceeding the accommodation capacity. We still need to overcome coordination problems towards proper bed distribution of patients.
The national coordinator for the anti-COVID-19 program and spokesperson for the health ministry stressed that the number of infected medical and paramedical staff is likely to increase in the country.
450 medics and paramedics have tested positive for COVID-19. The increase is in light of community transmissions of the virus due to the spread of active outbreaks in many areas. Epidemiological investigations showed that most infections caused by the disease took place outside hospitals.
The National Observatory of New and Emerging Diseases revealed that several medics and paramedics contracted the virus outside hospitals. The infected individuals later spread the coronavirus inside a number of health facilities. The Ministry of Health is carrying out massive screening to isolate infected medics, paramedics and patients. The active outbreaks discovered at some health facilities are currently under control, while ongoing investigations are carried out to prevent the spread of the virus. Adnan Chouachi, CGTN, Tunis.